What's going on, Get Fine Gang? Welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here on my channel. Listen, today we're going to hop right into it and we're going to make you this amazing, outstanding, look at this pumpkin spice latte. Got the drizzle and the blizzle. Come on now, let's get into it. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree to a medium saucepan. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of my pumpkin spice blend, which you can find in the description below. Yeah, we're just going to throw that right in. Next up, we're going to add 1.5 cups of almond milk. Next, we're going to add half a cup of strongly brewed coffee. You can also add 1 shot of espresso or 2 shots of espresso. It's all up to you, your preference. We're just going to add that right in. Y'all, I had to slow this down for y'all one time. Look at this liquid gold as it just fills up the cup. Good God Almighty. Now we talking. Add that sprinkle on top. And look what we have here. Voila, baby. Get into this pumpkin spice latte. Wow.